I'm stuck. I'm stuck. If that's not proof we're on top of the world right now, I don't know what is. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This morning, Skye and I woke up and we hit the road. We've been driving for roughly 6 hours now, and we finally made it almost to our destination. Keyword is almost. We started in Rhode Island and we were up in Maine. If you guys remember, the last time I came to Maine wasn't necessarily the best day. I love Maine, but after that experience, I told myself I needed some time away. We needed like a little relationship break. But I'm back in Maine, and we're pushing our limits yet again. I feel like Maine and I come to Maine and it's just time to do things I'm not comfortable with necessarily. We're climbing up a mountain. Anxiety is through the roof right now because yes, I have a truck, right? I do have a truck. I do a lot of things that I probably shouldn't do in a truck because I have an 8-foot bed, which means my clearance is not what most trucks are. Like if you have a short bed, yeah, the truck's a little bit lifted, but my clearance isn't, there's not much. Not much at all. I have bad luck with this truck. Last time I went off-roading, I actually hit my transmission or something near my transmission and fluid leaked out and I started rolling backwards on the highway. We're not doing this alone. I'm waiting for my friend right now, Riley. You guys know Riley, absolutely love him. He's amazing. He found this spot. I messaged him. I was like, Riley, please take me here. I want to camp here. And he warned me of the dangers of my truck making it up the hill. So not hill, it's a literal mountain. As they say, what goes up must come down. So even if we make it up the mountain, we still got to go down the mountain in the morning. So nervous, definitely nervous. Excited to see Riley get this trip started. We're starting the trip in Maine, working our way to a secret location, but wow.
Hey!
Hey! How's it going?
Pretty good, you?
Pretty good.
Goody.
Just like super stoked to possibly not make it up the mountain.
This is gonna be interesting. I'll go first, and then you just kind of follow behind and see how well you can do it. You ready? Oh, like we're in sport mode? Yeah.
It's now or never. Now or never. 4 and 4 in progress. 4 times 4 high. Okay, perfect.
People take side-by-sides up here, too. It's pretty fun. Oh, hello, there's people.
We're definitely on the easy part right now. Don't even see Riley. Riley just zipped it. He's gone. I'm taking my time, okay?
Ah, there she is.
There he is. Is his foot out the window right now? What is he doing? That's his foot. I haven't seen Riley in so long. I'm pretty sure I go this way, but there's a path that way. It's totally fine. Everything's fine. Yeah. This is where it gets fun?
Yeah.
So stoked. I'm not cleared yet. Oh my god, I think I just did it. Yeah, Riley just got in his car. Yeah, Riley just got in his truck. He's driving away, so I think I officially just cleared that. Oh my god.
Cool. She's off. Good for her. I'm very proud.
Whoa, okay. 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 Copy what Riley did. Copy what Riley did. Oh no. Just copy what Riley did. Copy what Riley did. I'm stuck.
Oh yeah. Get it. Some meaty tires would do a lot for that thing. You know.
I'm stuck. No, I'm stuck.
What's poppin'? Bracking my slime.
This is the rock that I'm having trouble clearing right now. It's not anything too crazy. Hi, Skye! You know when you're like playing a video game and you're at the final boss? This is the final boss. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Oh God. Oh man. Woo! This is sweet.
So.
Oh yeah, my big beefy tires that I love so much.
They love rocks, they love snow, deep snow that's packed down, made for things with tracks.
All right.
Love...
Every time we hang out, oh, remember that time you like got stuck on a snowmobile trail?
Yeah, actually I do.
Yeah, I kind of do. Kind of haunts me every day, you know. Whoa, Skye, this is the highest you've ever been. Like, that's so cool. I got a cooling mat that's gonna like help keep Skye cool, and she's having a little treat on the mat right now. Riley's headed out. Oh man, Riley is leaving because he has a lot to do. He has to prepare because we are going on a trip. So he needs to get stuff done. So he's leaving, not spending the night. It's just gonna be Skye and I and you guys, which means I have to make it down that mountain alone tomorrow. Still a little nauseous, not gonna lie. That was pretty intense for me. Remember when I said to you guys, hey, maybe I should like buy a van, and I went and I went to go look at the vans. Isn't this so cool?
What a real camper looks like.
Hey, don't say anything about my truck. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. And a lot of you guys commented saying, no, don't do that because you do stuff that a van couldn't do. Imagine if I sold my truck and got a van. I would not be here right now. Just to put things in perspective, I feel like I'm making the right decision on what my next rig is going to be. I can't tell you guys just yet, but a couple more months and the new rig will be ready. Well, just based off the looks of it and some speculation, a storm is brewing and it's coming. So it's moving really fast. I'm just trying to pack everything up right now because all my windows are down and stuff spread out everywhere. Go, 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 abort, abort. The wind is insane. The whole truck is shaking. We're not necessarily flat, we're like this. So it's pretty interesting experience. The wind is just whipping. Like, look at that. It's got, oh, my toilet paper. I gotta put the toilet paper away. But I keep checking the radar and it just popped up, the storm, of course, shocker. But it looks like it's gonna miss us by like half a mile. You can kind of see it moved that way. Like besides of coming straight at us this way, it's going more towards that way behind us. Mother Nature said no. I don't know what my plan was. I was gonna explore with you guys and go on an adventure, but this is an adventure. And it was pretty mentally draining when I get so stressed out like that. I feel like I shut down afterwards. Like I was at like a high coming up the hill. Or a mountain, sorry. Now we're at the top of the mountain and I reached my low, so I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. Yeah, I just need to relax. I mean, we've been up here for about an hour now, but I feel like I'm still a little bit on edge for no reason whatsoever. But this is why I do what I do, is because I want to push myself. This view is just, I can't stop staring at it. Are we kidding? Truck camping on top of the world right now? I'll take it. I know the mature and adult decision is to make food now before the bugs get worse, because the bugs are already pretty bad. I'm hitting you guys with the classic for dinner tonight too. An absolute classic. Oh my god, every time I just look out my truck and I see the view, I forget where we are. This is gonna be my cooler for the trip, my refrigerator. So there's this dish, Michelin star dish, that I used to eat growing up, and as did many others. And it's pizza. Pizza but with wraps. You'll see. How does that even happen? What? Oh, the bugs are out. And they're not good. This needs to be the fastest pizza I've ever made in my life. I'm gonna cook on the floor. That's what I'm doing. Hi, pretty girl. Oh my god, doesn't she just like hurt your heart? She's so freaking cute. Have you ever been up north and you've dealt with black flies? I don't know which worse, the gnats near the ocean or black flies, because I just felt something hit my head. They suck. They're just really, really, really painful. Oh, that's a lot. Pepperoni. A little bit of basil. Hi, Skye. And then you put it to bed and put another one on top. And say goodnight. Oh, that actually came out perfect. Well, that's finished cooking. Let's go on a little adventure. It just doesn't get much cooler than this. I'm speechless. This is unreal. What's up? What's up? What's up, girlfriend? Nothing gets more nostalgic than this. Seriously. Like, I remember I would beg my mom to make this for me because it's just so good. And she would always be like, all right, you know, like she knows it's easy. So she was like, okay, fine, I guess. Okay, well, before I bite into it, look at that ooey gooey dairy-free cheese. Don't worry, I also wish it was real cheese. Oh yeah, that's a home run, baby. I hate these bugs. Skye, maybe if you didn't go on a jog, you wouldn't be so out of breath. There's so many bugs in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's that little sucker. They're everywhere. And I wholeheartedly mean it when I say suckers. I hate them. Hate's a strong word. Does this mean I'm an off-roading person now? So is this what this means? My new job description is gonna be professional off-roader. I'm stuck. I'm just kidding. What comes up must go down, baby. We still have to go down tomorrow, so should be fun on that. Skye. Normally she usually can jump, but we're on like a cliff right now and I can't even get up there. So if I can't get up there, she definitely can't. Can't believe I'm sleeping here right now. It feels almost fake, is the best way to describe it. Ta-da! This is Skye's favorite part. To be fair, it's really not that hot in there. It's just, we just came back from a hike. Not even a hike, but you know, long enough where Skye's a little tired. I don't think I realized until like 20 minutes ago that I'm really on top of a mountain. And you're probably wondering, oh, Becca, how did you realize? It is freezing. Not like freezing. It says it's 71 degrees out. It is not 71 degrees out like here. Like I'm looking on the town that we're in on the weather app. Not correct. It is definitely colder up here, which I'm not complaining. I absolutely love it. I get to sleep comfortably tonight. No complaints. But I was just sitting here and I was like, oh, yeah. It's because we're on a top of a mountain. That's why it's colder. I'm gonna hit the hay. I'm tempted to wake up for sunrise, but I'm also tempted to sleep in. I love you guys. Skye loves you guys. And Skye and I will see you in the morning. I had a dream last night that I got scared and drove down the mountain in the pitch black. I don't know. That was so weird. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this real? Am I dreaming? What? I'm not even fully awake yet. But I can't even see the sunrise right now because I'm in the clouds. I'm higher than the clouds right now. Like I'm... What? What? Oh. Coolest thing I've ever seen in my freaking life. What is this? This is insane. Look at this. Rise and shine, good morning. If that's not proof we're on top of the world right now, I don't know what is. That is insane. E-brake on, take your e-brake off, Becca. Everything's gonna be a-okay. Might not be the worst to go to 4 low, but I don't know what I'm talking about, so. It's actually way more terrifying going down. Nah. Who would have thunk? We made it! Oh my god! I don't know if there's any casualties, but shoot! Skye has so much anxiety and I'm so proud of her. I'm just checking, everything looks good. Looks like I killed a bunch of bugs. Tires look okay. I don't see anything leaking or hanging. Was that fun? Do you want a belly rub? Do you want a belly rub? Yeah, you're like, oh my god, that was so scary, Mom. That was so scary. That was so scary. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode as much as I did. That was getting out of my comfort zone to the absolute max. Make sure to leave a like on this video for Becca finally not breaking something, at least that I can't visually see as of right now. So, love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed Skye's and I's adventure. I'll catch you beautiful people on the next one.